Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be going over error code PL-3016 on Disney+. Now, for those who don't know, error code PL-3016 is primarily a Wi-Fi connected issue. Now, unfortunately, I am unable to access Disney Plus in my region, but that aside, in order to fix error code PL3016, our first step would be to go to Settings. Once we're here, check out Wi-Fi and make sure you're connected to the right Wi-Fi and you have a stable connection. To further ensure you have a stable connection, you can always check out fast.com, which is a good and trusted internet speed test website. As you can see here, I seem to have an adequate internet speed and therefore I won't be having an error code of PL3016. I hope this video helped.